Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you another product from ClickBank which is quite unusual. But if we are going to look at the keywords that we will be using to make sale on this product, so you will be quite surprised on how many people are actually searching for this product. So here from ClickBank Marketplace, we'll just type in Trump box. Okay, and as you can see here, Trump 10,000 diamond packs and the gravity score. Look at that, 151 affiliates have made sale in the past 30 days, and the commission is really handsome, 258 per sale. They don't have affiliate terms and condition at the moment, but if you take a look at the sales page, so let's open sales page. Okay, so look at this. It looks good. And their sales page is pretty decent, which means that's why they made the 151 unique affiliates made sales on this product alone. Okay, so the keywords that we are going to use here we will be going to Microsoft Ads keyword planner. So here, as you can see, I already typed in this. Look at this keyword, Trump dollar bill. Okay, so if you take a look at the Trump dollar bill, look at the trend that's happening now, and the latest one. Okay, so the latest one we have for September, it's 895,000 people are actually searching for this particular keywords. And if we take a look at some of the keywords that we can use, look at that Trump dollar bill. So just take all the keywords related Trump dollar bill. So these are all interested with Donald Trump dollar bill. Okay, and this itself, it's actually related to those keywords that we are going to use. Okay, so here, and we go back here. So take all the keywords related to that product. Okay, here Trump dollar $20 bill. Well, we can also use that, although it's 10,000 bill. But these people who are actually searching for this may get interest in this product. Okay, so just keep on looking Trump dollar bill. Okay, so they all obsessed with Donald Trump dollar bill. Okay, so this product itself from ClickBank is perfect to sell to these people who are searching for these keywords. Trump money bills. Look at those keywords. So many keywords that we can use to make sales, to make some sales from this ClickBank product. Okay, so look at this Trump gold dollar bill. This is exactly what we are going to sell, the product that we are going to sell. Trump bills. Okay, Trump, what else? Look at this Trump gold $100 bill. Okay, it's perfect. Trump $2 bills, we can also use that. Lots of keywords. President Trump $2 bill. Donald Trump currency, yeah, it's related. $1 billion bill, Donald Trump gold bill. Look at those keywords. So many keywords that are very relevant to the product that we are going to offer them. Donald Trump money, right? Donald Trump $1 million bill, we can also use that. Look at this 316, just searching for Trump, but we won't use that because it's not specifically related to the money bill that we are trying to offer them. Trump $2 bill, yeah, a lot of keywords here in Bing ads that we can use to sell that product. Okay, and if we take a look at the estimate, okay, let's grab some more keywords. You can take all those keywords that are related to Trump dollar bill. Okay, so here what we're going to do here is we create a campaign. So click this one, visit to my website, and then click this search ads, then click next. All right, so here we can name this as Trump dollar bill. Okay, and then here we say our budget will be $50 per day, and choose those countries like United States. Okay, target that country, United Kingdom. Okay, so those tier 1 country, and then untick this, so we make sure that only those people who are actually living in the country that we selected, keep that in English, and then click on save. Now here the ad group name is Trump dollar KW, and those keywords that we found from the keyword planner itself. Okay, so copy those keywords and paste them here. Okay, all right, so all those keywords that we found. So for the time being, I'll just use this just to demo how we create a campaign. Click save, and here we create our ads. All right, so here before we proceed, we need a landing page because we cannot redirect the customer to the sales page. So what we're going to do is create a landing page using the pagepro.com. So I've created lots of landing page already on my channel, so I don't want to repeat them because some viewers here may find it boring, but it will take you less than 5 minutes to create landing pages. Okay, so for example, if you want to create that kind of landing pages, so I'll give you some examples of my landing page that already been created using the pagepro.com. It's very easy. You just need to click this add new landing page. page. Okay, so let's take a look at this Java burn. So if you click the view, so this is how the landing page will be. Okay, once you have completed creating that, so what you're going to do is save two images for bullet section and article section that you can see here. So you can get those images very easy from the landing page. So save these images, save one product image. Okay, save one product image and take another image that's related to this one. Okay, so if you don't see any of the if you don't find any relevant images here, you can always go to Google Image, or you can use this website called text on image generator. So if you don't want to use some complicated website searching for image, you can just come to this text on image generator. Okay, so here you can say Trump bill or whatever. Okay, so see if we can have. Okay, so just take whatever related emails. Okay, let's say dollar bill, you can do that. Okay, generate image, so just save that. Okay, text on image generator, and then to simply get some of the insights about the keyword that you're using, you can always come to this keyword2free.com and type the keywords to see whether it has got any search volume per month and how much cost per click, estimated cost per click of the particular keyword. Okay, it's keyword2free. But the main thing is you create a landing page like this. Okay, so once you have the landing page, you just grab this URL. Okay, copy that URL and then go back to the campaign. Make sure you paste the URL here. So it's very easy. So once you have created the landing page, so just take a look at this one. So what you're going to do is just type in the title, type in the path name, and then the bottom name. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. So this is the link, affiliate link from the ClickBank itself, and then here the top bar text that you see here, the top bar text, so that it attracts more customer. Some catchy headline that you can put here, and then another catchy headline in the article section here. Okay, and then just the image name, okay, that you will need to upload here in manage images. So those kind of things that you need to configure here. Less than 5 minutes, you can produce a beautiful landing page like this, and it's it will instantly go live, and from here you can just grab the path and use that in your campaign. And of course you have to put some catchy headlines. Okay, see here, it's detecting what we have in our landing page, so it's very easy to configure. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, and if you have any questions, that put that on the comments below, and I'll be leaving all the free tools that I've used on the description below. All the links I will put there, so if you get a chance, so just visit them. So don't forget to use this page, the pagepro.com, if you want to set up your landing page very easily. And then again, the product itself is this one. Okay, as you can see, it's got 151 gravity score, and look at that, 258 per sale. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope you subscribe if you haven't. Yeah.